Janmashtami.
Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is JYOTI DALMIA.
I'm making a beautiful recipe. It's a Panch Mewa Paag. It is a very traditional recipe which is made in every household during the Janmashtami day. And for this I have taken a pan, dropping some ghee or the clarified butter goes into it. Let it heat up. Yes, you have to literally heat it to a very high temperature. And then I'm going to drop these gum Arabica. Yes, these are the gond, normally called gond. And this is perfectly keto friendly. It can be easily had when you are following a keto or a low carb diet. It is very rich in protein and almost zero carb. Just saute it so that each and every crystal of the gond gets puffed up. And now I'm going to take it out. Take out all. Perfectly cooked gond or gum Arabica is ready. Now in the same ghee or the clarified butter, I'm going to drop the peanuts. These are my raw peanuts which I'm dropping inside the pan. Roast it, saute it and cook it on slow to medium flame so that it becomes crispy. Now with the help of the slicer, I have sliced the almonds and I'm dropping that goes inside it. These are thickly sliced almonds. Just dropping them. This won't take much time to cook even as they are sliced. Saute it. This is a lovely mixture which you can store at least for 1 month. Perfect mixture to take it out on your trip even. Whenever you are hungry, you can munch upon it. Perfect granola mix you can say. And these are the dried coconut thins which I am just putting it into the mixture. Saute it a bit and it will slowly become crisp. So basically I am adding the ingredients one by one depending upon the time they take to cook. Because the peanuts they take more time, so I added earlier. Then I added the almonds because they are sliced, they won't take much time to cook. And then I've added the coconut slices. These are your dried coconut slices. See, I'm just tasting to see if it is perfectly crisp or not. And it is crisp. And it's done. Now I'm going to prepare the mixture. That is, I'm going to mix everything. So in a big bowl, drop in the fried gum Arabica, which I'm crushing it a bit. So if you want a chakki type of thing, that is a square fudge or a rectangular barfi type of thing, then you have to pulse it in a mixer. But I'm planning to have it like a mixture so that it becomes easier to eat with the spoon. So I'm dropping these into the bowl even. I'm mixing it properly. And I'm going to make the Panch Mewa Paag, that is the sweet Paag mixture. To that I'm going to drop some sweetness, and the sweetness I'm giving it through stevia. And here I'm dropping some flavoring. This is the cardamom powder which goes inside it, and I'm going to give it a magic mix. And my Mewa Paag is almost done. You have to add this stevia and the cardamom powder when it is warm so that Panch Mewa gets easily coated with the stevia and the cardamom powder. So doesn't it look gorgeous? See, perfect recipe for a teeny mini hunger pangs. So this goes inside my mouth. It's too crunchy. So what are you waiting for? Go and make these Panch Mewa Paag mixture and celebrate Janmashtami with me. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Happy Janmashtami to all.